Ready to supercharge your Toncoin management by moving it from Tonkeeper to Bybit. First, unlock your Tonkeeper wallet on your mobile device and make sure you have enough Toncoin to cover the transaction, including any potential network fees. Next, open Bybit on your computer or mobile app and navigate to your account or wallet section. Then find the deposit option. This is usually under Assets or Wallet. Select Toncoin or Ton as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Bybit will then display the correct Ton network to use for the transfer while be sure to only use the Ton network. You'll now see your unique Bybit Toncoin deposit address and possibly a memo while carefully copy both the address and memo if provided. The memo is very important, and if you forget it, your funds may be lost. Now head back to your Tonkeeper wallet and tap on the send button. This usually looks like an arrow pointing upwards. Paste the Bybit deposit address and memo into the corresponding fields within Tonkeeper. Double-check both to avoid any errors. A small mistake could result in lost funds. Enter the amount of Toncoin you wish to transfer to Bybit and confirm all the transaction details on the previous screen. Finally, confirm the transaction within Tonkeeper and be patient as the transfer process is on the Toncoin network. Once confirmed on the blockchain, your Toncoin will appear in your Bybit account ready for trading, staking, or whatever your crypto heart desires.